So, what is assessment? Assessment is how we ensure our commitment to student learning. It is participatory in that we must engage in assessment for it to be meaningful. It is iterative, meaning that the assessment cycle is just that, a cycle, and it involves repetition. Overall, assessment provides data on student learning, engages the college and others in analyzing and using that information, confirms and improves teaching and learning, produces evidence that students are learning, guides the college in making improvements and adjustments, evaluates whether changes made improve or impact student learning, and documents the learning and institutional efforts. It is through participation in this authentic evaluation that we improve practices, systems, and overall effectiveness campus-wide, from the enrollment center to advising, the classroom to commencement. There are many types of assessment. Formative and summative assessment are two different ways in which learning or progress can be measured. Examples of formative assessment include observations, polls, discussions, exit tickets, surveys, small stakes quizzes, and rough drafts, just to name a few. Formative assessment takes place as the learning or program is in process to provide more immediate feedback, which allows for adjustments to be made in the moment. Summative assessment happens after the learning process has finished. This provides information for improvement as well, but not with the same immediacy as formative assessment. Examples of summative assessment include final exams, exit interviews, portfolios, final surveys, end of chapter or unit tests, and the like. Both formative and summative assessment are key to effective evaluation. Additionally, assessment can be both informal and formal. Informal assessment tends to be lower stakes, performance-driven, and immediate. Formal assessment is less flexible, higher stakes, and data-driven. Furthermore, assessment can be direct and indirect. Direct assessment is focused on the student or subject and what they are able to demonstrate during the learning or the process directly. Indirect assessment is focused on the student or subject's reflection on the learning or process.